Welcome to Oasiabd YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for more videos like this. Today we will show you 5 nice smart kitchen gadgets. Number 1, OXO 1067247 good grips stainless steel steamer with extendable handle. Main features: removable handle extends and locks into position for filling and transporting and retracts to accommodate pot lids while steaming. Perfect for use with a pressure cooker or multi-cooker. Handle hole for fork keeps hands away from steam. Sturdy stainless steel construction. Dishwasher safe. Number 2, Joyce 10-2 tire bamboo steamer baskets, 10-inch features. Time-tested method for creating restaurant-style dishes at home, including dumplings, veggies, and fish. 2 tires to cook several dishes or servings at a time. So simple to use. Place in a pan of water and heat. Made with traditional bamboo, which is also a renewable resource. Number 3, the original Salisbury stainless steel steamer basket for your instant pot. Built-in handles for your convenience. Instant pot compatible, patent pending. Stainless steel construction and solid reinforcement on 4 sides and top rim. Convenient single handle design, built to last. This product will not to rust or fall apart. Number 4, Bloom folding steamer basket. Bloom is the updated model of the previous Lotus steamer. The steamer's self-adjusting sides allow it to fit a variety of pots and pans. Large capacity when fully open, but folds neatly away for storage. Ninja Foodie. Number 5, Ninja Foodie Never Stick Possible Pan replaces 12 cooking tools, stove, top to oven. Thoughtful design, integrated utensil conveniently stores on the lid and is specially designed to match the curvature of the pan on one side to easily get into the edges of the pan for perfect serving. Steamer and strainer. Integrated stainless steel basket can steam veggies and dumplings or lift the ergonomic handle and use the convenient pour spout to work as a strainer for pasta. Sears and heats evenly. Durable forged metal design quickly distributes and retains heat for excellent searing and perfect results every time. To buy these items, please visit amazon.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to reach more people.